नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं रोहित साकले आपका साकले टेक ट्यूटोरियल चैनल पर स्वागत करता हूं। यह मेरी फर्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल सीरीज़ है जिसमें हम कोर जावा पढ़ेंगे और समझेंगे। यह जेवीएम आर्किटेक्चर का थर्ड वीडियो रहेगा जिसमें हम डायनामिक मेमोरी एलोकेशन देखेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। Mainly JVM consists 5 memory area in their memory management system. First is method area, second is heap area, third is stack area, fourth is PC register, and fifth is native method stack. These all memory areas stores different types of data. First we will discuss about method area. Method area फर्स्ट मेमोरी एरिया है जो कि JVM के कॉन्टेक्ट में आता है टू चेक द डॉट क्लास फाइल एंड करस्पॉन्डिंग बाइनरी डाटा related to the program which is in execution process. After loading or reading dot class file and corresponding data via class loader subsystem stored it into method area. Method area created when JVM startup. Method area stores all the dot class file related information like fully qualified name of the class name and interface, fully qualified name of any direct superclass, modifier used in it, fully qualified name of any extended superclass or superinterface, static class variable, method code which contains bytecode, local variable size, operand stack size, field information which includes field name, type modifiers and runtime constant pool. इन केस अगर मेथड एरिया में मेमोरी एलोकेशन रिक्वेस्ट को पूरा करने के लिए मेमोरी अवेलेबल नहीं हो तो इस केस में JVM आउट ऑफ मेमोरी एरर थ्रो करेगा। नाउ वी विल मूव टुवर्ड द सेकेंड मेमोरी एरिया ऑफ JVM मेमोरी मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम which is heap area. Heap area will create at the time of JVM startup. For every JVM there is only one heap area is available. It means heap area में जितनी भी डाटा स्टोर है वो मल्टीपल थ्रेड्स के थ्रू एक्सेसिबल होता है. So we can call it is an shareable and global memory area. Here is one question occurs, which types of data stored in heap area? So here is answer. Heap area contains all the objects in it. All arrays and instance variable is also a type of objects. So ये भी heap area में store होते हैं. Heap area also need not be contiguous memory. There is one important thing. जब क्लास लोडर सबसिस्टम मेथड एरिया में डॉट क्लास फाइल और करस्पॉन्डिंग बाइनरी डाटा स्टोर कराता है, इमीडिएटली JVM एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट कराता है और इस ऑब्जेक्ट को हीप एरिया में स्टोर कर दिया जाता है. अब यहाँ क्वेश्चन ये आता है कि हम तो वैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट का यूज करते हैं अपने प्रोग्राम में, तो JVM को क्या ज़रूरत थी एक्स्ट्रा ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करने की. तो इसका आंसर ये है कि जो डॉट क्लास फाइल और बाइनरी डाटा क्लास लोडर के थ्रू लोड की गई है उसे प्रोग्रामर डायरेक्टली एक्सेस नहीं कर सकता. एंड शॉर्ट वी कैन से दिस डॉट क्लास फाइल इज़ नॉट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ प्रोग्रामर अंडरस्टैंडेबल. तो इसलिए JVM प्रोग्रामर को एक ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोवाइड कराता है जिसे वह उस डॉट क्लास फाइल में यूज्ड मेथड्स और वेरिएबल की इंफॉर्मेशन ले सके. JVM जो ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करता है वो क्लास टाइप का होता है. क्लास एक जावा क्लास है जो कि java.lang पैकेज में स्टोर होती है. फॉर एवरी लोडेड डॉट क्लास फाइल JVM will create only one class object even we are using classes multiple times in our application. These both memory areas, method area and heap area, is accessible by each thread, so they both are not threads. Now we will move toward third memory area which is stack area. Here is a stack area. For every thread JVM will create a separate stack. JVM perform only two operations on stack is push and pop. Push means insert and pop means delete the data. Stack always perform leaf out operation means last in first out operation. In the stack area multiple thread stack present. If a particular thread is in the execution state, that is called a runtime stack. Runtime stack stores method code done by the thread, calculation in the method code, assignment of local variable and calling parameter, etc. Each entry of runtime stack is called stack frame or activation record. A stack frame contains three parts: local variable array, operand stack and frame data. Data stored in the stack is available or accessible by current execution thread only. No other thread can access it. This indicates that the stack is thread safe. Here is a program: public class student. Here is main method, and inside main method we define three methods: x1, x2, x3. x1 calls x2, x2 calls x3 and x3 prints welcome to Sakletech tutorial channel. When JVM executes a program, first it will call a main method. JVM is responsible to call main method. Here first comes main method, then main method, inside main method call x1 method, and x1 method calls x2 and x2 calls x3. After completing the method call, now the corresponding entry will be removed one by one. Now the stack become empty. That empty stack will be destroyed by the JVM just before terminating the thread. Here in stack memory area we received an error in condition if stack memory is completely filled. That error is java.lang.stack overflow error, which is thrown by JVM. Now let's move to the fourth memory area, which is PC register area, also known as program counter register, that contains the address of the instruction currently being executed in its associated thread. PC register is very small data area and has a small size. Each thread has its own PC register, which is also created when thread is started. The register that holds the address of the next instruction to be executed is PC register. The PC register is very small data area and has a fixed size. Java applications do not have any impact on its content and sizes. The content of the PC register is always points to the address of the next instruction to be executed when the address can be local pointer. Now let's move toward the last memory area, which is a native method stack. Native method stack stores similar data element as JVM stack and it is used to help executing native methods. Sometimes to execute a program, JVM requires a native method. Native method is that which is written in other programming languages like C and C++. JVM implementation can't load native methods because JVM is built for Java security. JVM does not load code which is written in other languages like C and C++. For this, in the dynamic memory area of JVM, one native method stack are present. It is same as Java stack and also associated with each threads in Java. Native method stack store their native methods and helps the execution the program. Thank you.